Welcome to our junior engineering project. We are ERSA engineering firm. The purpose of our project was finding a balance between being creative and explaining our reasoning for the airport location. The series of hazard lookout city Halanta asked us to explain to different locations using geometry, and now we will tell you how we did it.
In Assumption A, the airport had to be built at a location that was equal distance from each of three cities. We created a step-by-step process that describes how we found the airport location. First, find midpoint between Hazard and Atlanta and draw perpendicular lines. Second, find midpoint between Lookout City and Atlanta, then draw perpendicular lines. Third, find midpoint between Lookout City and Hazard, then draw perpendicular lines. Finally, find the dot that intersect three lines. The total cost of building the roads for this airport location is $51,500,000.
In Assumption B, the airport had to build at a location that was the shortest distance from the three roads connecting the cities. We created a step-by-step process that describes how we found the airport location. First, measure the angle of Lookout City and find a line that divides the angle half. Second, measure the angle of Hazard City and find a line that divides the angle half. Third, measure the angle of Atlanta City and find a leaf that divides that angle half. Fourth, find a spot that three lines intersect. Finally, draw a perpendicular lines with each lines. The total cost of building the roads for this airport location is $10,525,000.
Our engineering firm thinks Assumption B is the best location for following reasons. First, Assumption B is much less expensive than Assumption A. Assumption B is $50,975,000 cheaper than Assumption A. Second, if we use Assumption B, business% of hazard will increase 300% because the distance is 60 kilometers. Finally, if we use Assumption B, Lookout City will increase 200% because the distance is 56 kilometers. Thank you for listening to our airport proposal.